Adding the new features in Acrobat Studio is going to be so easy.
I know, right? You can generate presentations, generate podcasts, collaborate with people on your documents. It's really next level.
I can't hear you. I'm listening to a podcast I generated about all the new features. It's going to be really next level.
I thought we could post a tutorial on how to generate presentations. Then the example presentation can be kind of fun. Like, here's all the new hobbies you can try with the time you save by using it.
And you intentionally used papyrus?
What's wrong with papyrus?
Nothing, if you're a 12th century scribe. Hey, look, I generated a presentation about your presentation. And I put the outline in our shared PDF space just in case you want to reuse it.
Well, I edited that PDF and generated a more accurate presentation.
Gamote?
Greatest marketer of all time.
More like gross, matcha, octopus.
Where are you going with this insult?
Amateur tattooist.
How did you know I take tattoo classes?
I follow your socials. You're getting really good.
Thank you.
I got that very close for you.